Get paid to listen to recorded phone calls? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get paid by simply listening to recorded phone calls. This is an easy way to earn money online, totally free to get started with. It is a worldwide opportunity and you get paid via PayPal. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here on how you can get paid by simply listen to recorded phone calls. Totally legit, totally free to get started with. It is a worldwide opportunity and you get paid via PayPal. What you need to do is pay attention and watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on how to do this the right way. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can get paid by simply listening to recorded phone calls. Let's get started. Okay, so the site that we are at right now here is humanatic.com. Humanatic.com, and you can see here review calls get paid. What you do is you listen to a recorded phone call, you answer a simple question with a click of a button and you earn real money. So you can see here what is Humanatic. If you ever called a company and you heard the operator say this call is being recorded, well, this is Humanatic then. So what they do is they help their clients review their calls and then they provide them with analytical reports there. Valuable data helps improve customer service and sales, of course. So why should you join Humanatic? Pretty obvious in my opinion. You will of course make money. And you can see here you create your own schedule and you make as little or as much as you choose. When you first start, you're going to be given access to two of the easiest categories, of course. As you advance, you will unlock new categories which will provide more opportunities to earn there. Humanatic is free and simple. Once again, you see here it's totally free to get started with. They will never charge you anything. They will pay you weekly. And look at this, you don't have to make or receive phone calls, you don't have to have a live conversation, you don't need to be a third party during a live conversation, and you don't have to transcribe a full conversation for every call you listen to, because that could actually take you some time otherwise. Now you can see that they have over 150,000 users around the world, just like you, so it is a worldwide opportunity then. And our users are made up of people from all walks of life who are logging on every day to earn money from their computer, tablet or phone, of course. So basically you need of course a verified PayPal account. You can see here PayPal is used worldwide in order to keep financial information safe. It provides a safe and effective way to transfer money. And you can see here once you have a verified PayPal address you can apply for an account here. So pretty obvious in my opinion that you are going to have a verified account, alright? And all you have to do is just sign up now here. But first we want to have a look at the frequently asked questions here to get some more facts here actually. So what is Humanatic? You can see here it is a software actually that was created to provide companies with an in-depth analysis of their phone calls. Rather than using computers to transcribe and decipher recorded phone calls, we provide working opportunities for tens of thousands of people all over the world just like you. So our reviewers work from home listening to recorded calls and they provide us with the answers we need to create a meaningful analysis of our clients' calls. So basically you're going to listen to calls and then ask you some questions, you answer the questions there and that's it. So it's really super easy way to earn money online there. Now, if I go back to the questions here, how do I apply? Okay, in order to join, you must have a valid and verified PayPal account. Verification proves that a person is who they say they are. Pretty obvious. Don't try to do it with a fake account here. I can't really see why you should, because you want to get paid. Okay, so you need to have a verified PayPal account to get started with this. Here it is free, absolutely free. We do not charge you to work for us, to sign up for an account. Of course, once again, they mention the PayPal account here, but it is totally free. Okay. Am I required to review calls during certain hours? That's a good question. So you are not required to review calls during certain hours. You may log in and review as little or as much as you like at times that best suit your schedule. However, call availability will vary depending on the time of the day. The largest volume of calls will be available during the hours of 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, US. So keep that in mind also. Now, can I have more than one account? Well, let's see here. Operation or maintenance of more than one account is strictly prohibited, so I don't see any reason why you should have more than one account here. So account and payment, what is PayPal? How can I verify my PayPal account? I think these are pretty straightforward. How you get paid. In order to work for Humanatic, you must have a verified PayPal account. It is free, and let's see here, they do have a minimum of $10 here before you request the payment, and they tell you that they process the payments here every Thursday. So let's go back here. How much money can I make? Let's see here. Now, this may of course vary depending on the skill level. We have different categories that pay different amounts for answers here. So we start off all reviewers with the easiest two categories. Once you achieve a certain accuracy level, you will unlock new higher paying categories, and you can make anywhere from $1 up to $4.50 an hour depending on your skill and accuracy. Be patient and consistent and you will achieve great things. So it is a great way to earn extra money, but if you want to make a full-time passive income online, I do have my #1 recommendation there. I highly suggest you to have a look at it. But this is definitely an easy way to earn some extra money there. And let's see here why you can't access your account and why wasn't my account approved. I don't think, but we can have a quick closer look here. It must be of the employment history description presenting a conflict or something, so that's probably why they haven't approved you there. So I think it's pretty straightforward. You can have a look at it here on Facebook also. They do have Twitter, LinkedIn profiles if you are interested to have a closer look at it. But I think the easiest way is probably just go sign up there and test and see if this is something for you, to just listen to calls and earn some money there. But you could see earlier that it is a great way to earn extra money. It's not something that you are going to get rich with. And I usually say that all these kind of sites you do need to complement, of course, with more than just this phone call site. One example could be, let's say for example that we have Swagbucks here. I think it's a great site actually. You see that they have paid over 400 million to this days, and you earn money really simple. You can see here if you go to the how it works section. You earn money by shopping online, for example, answering surveys, watching videos, discovering offers, search the web, play games, and mobile app there with more opportunities, of course. So it's another great way to earn extra money. But once again, you're not going to get rich with these opportunities. Now, if you are serious, if you're really interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you're going to find another video recommendation on how to make money online right here at my end screen now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.